So in the next homework assignment, we're going to be focused on using a table of integrals to evaluate integrals. And I've sent the table of integrals out to you that I will expect you to use in that homework assignment. The basic idea is that when you are given an integral to integrate, if it's not one that you immediately know or that you immediately see that you can integrate easily, it might make some sense to look in the table of integrals which you've been provided and see if the integral that you're working with meets one of the patterns in the table. And there's going to be two ways that this is going to play out for you. You're either going to have a situation where the pattern you're working with shows up exactly. So maybe you have something that has this pattern right here, x cubed times e to the x. And if you have that pattern, then the table of integrals is going to immediately identify to you what the resolved integral is. The other thing that might happen to you is you have a pattern like this one, x to the n e to the ax, where the integral table identifies a partial resolution, but the resolution that it gives you involves another integral that you then have to either be able to solve because you can see how to solve it, or it meets another pattern showing someplace up in the table of integrals. So this is an assignment where if you're good at pattern matching, you probably can do it without watching any of the subsequent videos that I'm going to do. I am going to go through a series of examples where I use the table of integrals just in case you need that, but it would not be surprising to me if you didn't need to watch those videos. So let that be something that you decide whether you need to do or not.